Here are two ways to scan a document. Using the printer on Mac, open the Image Capture app on your Mac using Spotlight Search. Press Command and Space, type Image Capture, and open it. Or open it from the Finder under the Applications folder. On the left side panel, see the printer or scanner showing. Now, method 2 is using the Preview app. Open Preview from Spotlight Search. From the top menu, click on the File menu and Import from Scanner. If Import from Scanner is grayed out, then ensure that the printer or scanner is on and connected to your MacBook or Mac. You can check under the System settings under the Apple logo. Click on Printers and Scanners on the left side of the Windows in System Settings. See, I am connected with Scanner. Refer to my separate tutorial for setup and connect your scanner to Mac. So I can scan documents directly from the Image Capture app. Select Printer and Scanner from the left side panel. First check Scan Mode, Document Feeder or Flatbed. The Document Feeder scans multiple documents at once. An Automatic Document Feeder, ADF, is a scanner or printer component that automatically feeds multiple pages, allowing for hands-free scanning and copying. If you choose Flatbed, scan the document once. Select other options from settings like Kind Color, Black and White, or Text. Resolution in DPI. For high resolution, increase the value. Select Paper Size from the drop-down menu. Select the format type, image corrections, and more. Select the document and press the Scan button to start scanning. The PDF file will be saved automatically to your Mac. That's it. If you have any question, then comment below. Please like if you found this helpful and subscribe for new video updates.